I'm Erik Hronovsky, CEO of Grafren, Swedish deep tech company which is revolutionizing the materials for mobility on this planet and beyond. We work with graphene, Nobel Prize material, and we focus on revealing its potential for composites. We have the unique patented method on creating high-quality graphene and incorporation that into the composites, and we do that by untrivial approach. We coat the fibers, glass fibers, Kevlar, or the natural fibers like flax or hemp. We create the thin graphene layer around each fiber, and by doing so, the whole composite becomes electrically conductive, impact and fire resistant, and also moisture resistant, which is important for fibers, natural fibers, composites. By doing so, the new composite materials, which are smarter, lighter, durable and green, can come to the markets such as automotive, aerospace or defense. Thank you for your attention.